Have you ever had one of these days where you make yourself some coffee? Where you pour the water, coffee, that's a lot of coffee, but it's good coffee. You pour sugar and creamer. And you mix it all together, prepared for a delicious coffee. And then you put the lid on, press this button, and it instantly heats up your coffee. And as you can see, the steam comes out. And that is how the Coffee Maker 360 works. The Coffee Maker 360. Now, with the press of this button, the electricity flowing through these wires heats up the coffee instantly, like if it was magic, but it's not. The coffee heats up, and now when you go to school, to work, or any place, and your coffee gets cold after making it, you just press this button, and it heats it up. You could heat it up throughout the day. The batteries don't die until a month. You have to replace them, but it keeps your coffee pretty warm throughout the day. And just when you want to drink it, you press this button, it heats it up like if it was a microwave, but a portable one.